Because design thinking is not really like a methodology in itself. It's a principle. It's a way of working. Parang si UX, diba? User experience. Pag sabi mo user experience, why yung application niya? Because you pertain to solving or improving the experience of the user. Right? So design thinking, ganun din. So, ang focus area ni UX, kadalasan, is user research. Diyan siya kumukuha. Diyan siya, kumbaga, diyan yung hugot niya. So, design thinking, si empathy, customer empathy. Ngayon, ang difference design sprint is it doesn't only empathize with the customer, it also empathize with the business. Okay? Kaya hindi nawawala yung identity ni business. Right? Kasi, kaya kami company experts di ba? Yung company experts mo, yung designer, finance expert, marketing expert, di ba? Logistics expert. So sila, alam nila identity ng company. Pero ayaw mo naman mag-lean toward na kung ano lang yung gusto ng company, di ba? Gusto mo rin malaman yung gusto ni user. Kaya kami customer expert. So, inabalansin mo yun pag nagpa-facilitate ka ng design sprint. So, design thinking kasi, wala siyang ganung element masyado. Kasi ang heavy siya sa customer empathy. Similar to UX. So, customer interview. Gusto naman ma-solve yung pain point ni customer. Minsan, nawawala yung identity ni company. Kasi binibigay lang yung gusto ni user. So, I'm not saying design sprint is better than design thinking. I'm just saying that design sprint also uses the principle of design thinking. Okay, so meron siyang ganung element. Because I've started with design thinking. Hindi talaga design sprint yung una kong practice. Okay? So, in practice, paano pinagkaiba nun? Kung you research saka customer empathy, parang parehas, di ba? Pero si user research kasi, kumbaga, meron ng pinagbabasihan. May software ka na, may system ka na, inaalam mo lang, based on your user research, kung ano yung mga pain points ni customer. Yung downside ng user experience. Kumbaga, ini-improve mo na lang. Yun yung triangulate kung ano yung problema. So, you improve it. Diba? Ayan, nag-agree naman si PJ. So, tama pala yung sinasabi ko. So, design thinking on the other hand, yan. Ang gawain naman niya, wala pa talagang, kahit wala pang product or service. Pwedeng meron, pwedeng wala. Okay? Pero ang gawain niya is mag-empathize ako with customers and then I'll use that to stimulate ideation. So, hindi ko lang ini-improve yung experience ng user, pero I'm still thinking as way of how to, kaya siya ginagamit sa innovation, how to further improve on things, innovate on things. Diba? Ano pa pwede kong gawin? Kaya nagkakaroon ng evolution of ideas. Si design sprint, okay, ganun din naman ang gawain niya, kaya lang, may insight niya both from the company and the user para balanse. Para hindi nawawala yung yung element, yung kumbaga identity ng company. Kasi natanong na rin sa akin, parang, if we are all going to use design sprint, then what's the difference between from the culture and identity of your company? Okay, kaya minsan may nakita ko doon sa slide ni PJ, sa picture niya, may brand sprint. Okay, may ganon. Kasi hanap mo yung identity ng company. That would set you apart from the rest. Okay, so kahit may design sprint ka, may design sprint yung kabilang kumpanya, pwedeng kahit pares kayo ng industry, pwedeng magkaiba pa rin kayo ng solution. Kasi may element yan ng, kumbaga, business identity. Okay, malinaw ba yun, Alan? Na-differentiate ko ba ng maayos?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, good. JD, follow-up question. How do you address a problem properly using design sprint methodology? How much preparation should be done? Ito, meron to part 2 nung presentation mo, PJ. Wanna take this one?
Yeah. So pre-design sprint, a total of 1 week. On my case, before the sprint proper, because it's a combination of all the approvals, of all the preparations for the people, and the educating part of aligning with the team of what to do. So a total of a week. But it really depends on the pacing of the team. I'm just lucky that mabilis nakagets yung team. Pero mafe-feel mo naman when you're facilitating your own pre-sprint preparations kung ready na ba yung team. Yeah.
Okay. So kumbaga following up on that yung kay PJ. So ano nauna mo, logistics or yung orientation mo with the team?
Orientation muna. Oo.
Okay.
Parang brown bag
So,
sessions.
ayun. So, yeah, hindi lang yata si PJ. Meron din akong I'm not sure si Kelvir yata, pero meron na akong isang student. Sabi niya, yeah, he did an overview sprint, parang ganon, sa company nila. Para maintindihan nila pagdating nung session na yon, mas mabilis daw. Si April din yata yon. Para alam nila yung idea of what design sprint is. So, in the class, I'm advising the student na you don't have to actually brag or impose in the company that let's use design sprint, parang ganon. So, pwede nang hindi. Pwede mo lang sabihin na innovation ideas or meetings, ganon. You don't have to say design sprint. Pwede naman sabihin meeting. Pero I think commonality is that you have to orient them of what you're going to do. Anong gagawin natin sa meeting na to? Parang ganon. Right? So, second would be the logistics setup, meaning yung mga materials mo, right? Yung room, syempre kung physical yung room, kung wala naman, at least Miro gamit namin ngayon. So you have set up the Miro, yung mga templates dyan, right? So, yun lang naman Yun lang naman yung kailangan mo i-prepare. Yung tao, tsaka yung materials.
Yes.
Right? Tsaka yung sarili mo, syempre kung magpapacilitate ka.
Oo. Most importantly, sarili mo.
So, PJ daw, 1 week. 1 week,
Yeah.
no? 1 week preparation. Yeah, so, nung umpisa ko, usually, yes, same sa akin nung nasa corporate pa talaga. 1 week din ang preparation namin for the actual sprint. I think kasi yung company alam na yung design sprint, so I'm not really orienting a lot. But yeah, from the logistics side, to ensure pati yung mga tao na a-attend, syempre, ibablock mo yung schedule nila. So, I do it 1 week before, the very least, para i-block yung mga schedule nila. Yan, pati yung reservation ng room. Depende sa company. How do you address a problem properly using design sprint methodology? This question, I think, is similar to, I would have a similar answer as kay Isa, yung ask the expert, kasi it narrows down anong challenge talaga yung gusto mong i-solve, 'di ba? Anong aspect, anong area, 'yon. So I would have the same answer, yung ask the expert tool natin. JD, okay ba yung question or you have a follow-up question? Okay daw, okay JD. Alright, so ayun, sakto tayo sa oras ha. Thank you, welcome. And thank you so much, PJ. Siguro parting, closing remarks. Closing remarks natin.
Alright, so
For this session, teka lang, share ko lang yung screen.
Sige, siguro a message for everyone, no? Let's not be afraid of change. That will be the very first problem if you are to practice design sprint or anything actually for service improvement or product improvement in the organization. You will be hindered by a lot of people who will be so afraid with change. But, back it up with data, back it up with, how you sell the innovation to them. So let's not be afraid of change and let's keep on innovating and growing. Thank you so much.
Sige. So what's next for this one? You can attend our full design sprint. We will teach you. Yan yung natutunan din ni PJ. Same pa rin yan. Nag-tweakings lang kami sa tool, pero yung pa rin naman yung natutunan ni PJ and what we are teaching with the other class. So same principles. We've just rearranged the tools, the sequence, pero yung pa rin naman yung ginagamit namin. Wala naman na iba. It's like what I've said, 90% of the time, pare-pares talaga yung design sprint. Wala ka masyadong mababago. Kasi para ka nang may story ang sinusunod. What you'll get when you attend, or what are our programs, you could attend our design sprint introduction if you're not comfortable attending the full sprint. Diba? So you have this first one, fundamentals of design sprint. We have that, I think, every month naman, or twice a month. Every other month rather. And then we have our certification program. Ito we rarely, I think maybe every 6 months or every quarter yung run namin. Not sure. You could get certified at PJC PDI, so that's Certified Product Development Innovator. You can also get Certified Service Innovator if you're into service or customer experience, kung ano mas prefer mo. You could actually get both if you want to. Pwede ka namin i-certify on both, diba? You just have to run 2 projects. Okay, it's up to you where you want to specialize. Right? So what's the difference? Pricing model. Syempre, fundamentals of design sprint, you'll really learn a lot here. core principles, yung mga principles ni Design Sprint, it's only 5 pesos. And we have our upcoming program on October. If you wanna, you're not really required to attend the fundamentals before you attend our certification. Pwede nang straight to certification. Yan yung ginawa ni PJ. Straight to certification yan. Right? Innovation certification, the real value of this, if you'll take it outside of the Philippines, this is no BS. Okay, this, like, you can search this, aabutin ka more than 80,000 pa nga. Yeah, kasi kasama na yung mga flights and certification. Yeah, mahal talaga siya sa labas. You can search if you want to. Normal price we have at School of Design Sprint is 18,000. Early worm rate is 15,000, but for people who attended our program, this program, Changemaker, you could get it at special discount of 13,000. Yeah, 13K lang. All you have to do is, of course, email us if you're interested and reserve your seats because nililimit talaga namin yung number of seats. Kahit tanong niya si PJ, hindi sobrang dami yung students namin. Okay, so again, we all desire to be that person, di ba? Who will thought of the next great idea, right? We want to come up with a great idea, with a great solution. The question would always be how. Di ba sabi, kaya laging sinasabi yan ni PJ, di ba? Don't be afraid. Kasi common challenge that we have is we doubt our own idea. Yun naman talaga eh. We are actually doubting our very own idea. Will be there. Kaya nga kaya ni PJ mag-overview, mag-orient, di ba? Kasi naranasan yan, experience nila. Hindi lang si PJ, si Kelvin din. No-orient yung mga client niya, our first featured guest. Kasi they really experience it. Hindi lang by the books, hindi lang through reading, hindi lang theories, hindi lang, di ba, binasahan kayo ng PPT. But rather, in the class, you will experience how Design Sprint is being executed. May encounter mo na agad yung mga challenges. So, hindi lang yung experience mo, but also, kasi group siya, so other groups would be facilitating as well, and you will learn from them as well. So, you multiply the learning. And not only that, even if you are going to implement it outside the class, pa-facilitate mo na for your certification, sabi ko nga, we allow our students to consult with us, unlimited, free consultation, basta about Design Sprint, about Design Sprint, di ba? We will personally guide you still and help you. Hindi naman kayo magpa-facilitate di ba? So, si PJ, isa pa lang yan in making, di ba? He's just one of our students. Si Kelvin is also just one of our students who is now making changes in their field of influence. Di ba? Not only in the tech, sabi ko nga, hindi lang tech. Si Kelvin, tech entrepreneur. Si PJ, di ba? Nasa software development pa rin ba?
Yes.
So software development. Not only that, our next guest, yung mga susunod, ang i-invite naman namin outside tech. Yes, we are trying to invite her. Yan, may clue na her. If she will be available. Nasa field naman yung project niya, sa field ng onboarding, which is in HR. Yan. So, that yun yung proof. When you become change maker, you're not only sticking to your own field, diba? But you can be a change maker in any field of practice. Diba? So that's why, even if let's say I will only be able to deliver, balik natin to. Sabihin nyo ng, yan. Let's say it's just half the value. Kunyari, pangit yung class, hindi wala akong masyadong. Yung certification pa lang, parang yun lang binayaran 13,000, right? Magkano yun sa labas? 18,000. And if you're still not comfortable, meron naman kaming Design Sprint, di ba? Para malaman nyo, is Design Sprint really for me just for 500 pesos? So, very minimal fee. Actually, the payment will not really be an earning for us, but rather just to pay tools that we are using, yung system na ginagamit. Para dun lang yon. We don't get anything out of it if you attend the fundamentals of Design Sprint. Right? So, bawi na kayo agad. So, what Chrissy said during her introduction of me, di ba? We were really trying to push the Philippines to be the next innovation center. Di ba? Hindi lang sa but in Asia. And one of the principles of Design Sprint is to actually, yung sa Diverge niya, di ba? Hindi lang ikaw yung mag-isip, but everyone. Right? That's one of the principles of design sprint. You do more by involving everyone. So that's what we are using as well. So principle of design sprint, 'di ba? So we are working alone together. Yan yung isa sa mga principle niya. Divergent. Right? So I hope to really see you guys in our innovation design sprint workshop and for you to be one of the change makers so that you'll never have to doubt your idea ever again. 'Di ba? So that's it from my end. PJ, you have anything else to say?
Yeah, for everyone who wants to follow me on LinkedIn, you can connect with me on LinkedIn. That's Paul John Domingo. And you can see my kalokohan sa TikTok and Instagram. That's I am Paulo Domingo. Hope to connect with you guys. And I hope you learn a thing or two that you can, apply to your own design sprints. Thank you so much for having me.
PJ?